Good morning, Amit.
Good morning, Aga.
Long time no see.
Long time no see you.
How are you, Hamid?
I'm good. And what about you?
Actually, I'm good today. So I'm
Okay,
today
it's good. It's good.
I'm so excited because uh, I heard you before you went to another place, right?
Rest, it's right.
Yeah, it's right. So I have a question to you.
Okay.
Okay, so the question is, when was the last time you went on a trip, and where did you go, and what for?
Okay. Um, for the last time, I could, I think, 2 years ago, and I go to the Karanggoso Beach in Tulungagung, East Java. And what for? I usually go there for relaxing, self healing or recreation because my my day is so busy, so I want to recreation. Yeah,
Okay,
that's it.
so you went there just to release your stress, yes, right?
Yes, yes, it's
Okay,
right. Okay, I want ask you back.
okay,
Um,
that
when when was the last time you went on a trip?
mm,
Where did
okay,
you go and what for you go there?
okay. Let me remind. Mm, I think the last time I went a trip. I think approximately 3 until 4 months ago. Yeah. So
So
I went to, what is that? Mm, what is that? The place in Nganjuk. Do you remember Nganjuk?
it's river
Yeah, river. What is that?
river.
I think you know because you're not so far in there. Yes, you're Kediri and
Yeah,
Nganjuk. Yes. Hmm.
but actually, I I don't go out to
Oh.
Nganjuk. Yeah.
Okay. Let me remember. I think I went. I go to googling first. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
Oh, the name is Jolotundo. Oh my god, I don't remember.
Jolotundo.
Yeah, you
Jolotundo.
Jolotundo.
Okay.
You never heard Jolotundo?
No.
No. You never go
Yeah.
there? You never go there?
Hmm.
Jolotundo River?
Jolotundo.
Yeah, Nganjuk. You never?
Nganjuk. I never go to Nganjuk.
Oh, you never. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so mm,
Yeah.
I went to river, Jolotundo River. So
Okay.
what did I do with in there? I just want to see nature, and I want to release my stressful because I think um, I'm so I'm so stressful at the time. Yeah, I'm so stressful at the
Oh,
time. So when
I know,
I
I know.
what what
Because your homework is so much.
Wah, yeah, I am agree. Okay, you really correct. You're completely correct.
Yes. So
I think we are the same problem. Yeah, actually.
yeah,
Yeah.
actually.
So I'm in there. It's just sit in the place, and I enjoy the situation in there, and then when I see in the nature, my stressful is gone. My stressful is gone. And then, yeah.
Okay, it's so um happy for you.
Yeah. So I have a question again for you, Hamid. So
Okay.
after
Okay.
I after I tell you the question, you can tell me back. Okay.
Okay.
So the second question is, how do you usually travel? short distance or longer distances?
Mm, I choose option A, short distance.
Hmm.
Yeah, and the reason is
What?
I I usually get tired. Yeah, you
Okay.
know.
Yeah, yeah, me too, me too.
Mm, and I have what is it? Sickness.
Okay. Seasickness, I think.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think.
Okay. I think me too.
Okay,
Yes, like that.
let's let me ask you.
Yeah.
Um, how do you usually travel? Option A, short distance, and option B, longer distance. And why do you choose to travel this way?
Okay. So I think I prefer to choose short distance because
Why?
I will enjoy the trip. I will enjoy the trip when the distance is not so far because I'm not get tired, of course. Yes, I'm not get tired,
Mm,
and when I'm not get tired, of course I can enjoy the travel or the trip. Yes, and usually I'm just when I travel, I'm just go to uh near from my house or near from my dormitory, like Surabaya City or City Light, something like that, or uh from my house near from my house like Nganjuk that I said before, and then Mojokerto. So I'm just enjoy.
yeah.
I'm just
It's near.
yes, it's near Kediri. You know Kediri.
Kediri,
Yeah,
Kediri.
Kediri.
What the place?
I don't know the exactly place, but I think you know. Okay,
Okay.
so I will enjoy the trip when the distance, well, not what is that, when the destination is near from my house because I'm not get tired, of course, something like that. Okay, so I have the next question again, the third question. So the question is, what's the farthest you've ever traveled? Why did you go there? The farthest.
Um,
The farthest.
okay. I want answer your question.
Okay.
The farthest travel I ever go there is Malioboro in Yogyakarta.
I know, I know. I think
Yeah,
Malioboro is the famous place in Indonesian,
yeah,
right?
it's so famous in Indonesia,
Yeah.
and the reason I go there because study tour.
Oh,
Yeah, that's it.
okay.
Study tour.
Yeah. I think a lot of students like us go there to study tour. Yeah.
Okay. Um, let me ask you.
Yeah.
mm, what's the farthest you ever traveled, and why did you go there?
I think uh, I'm I was with you. Let me remember. I think the farthest place that I ever come in is Yogyakarta. I think the
It's
place.
same with me
Yes, same with
or
you.
no?
I think same with,
Okay.
but not Malioboro. Malioboro, what's that? Malioboro, Borobudur. Yeah,
Oh,
not
in
Borobudur.
Borobudur.
The destination not Borobudur, but the same place in Yogyakarta. Mm, when I the reason when I went go there is same like you study tour. Yeah, same like you study tour. I went to Gua Pindul and then beach in Yogyakarta and then ancient museum, something like that. And uh, I I what is that? I did observation for that. I did observation for that, and I collect the knowledge about that, the historical about that. something like that. Okay, Hamid.
Okay.
The last question.
Okay.
The last question. Please answer.
Okay.
The last question is, what's your favorite way of traveling and why? You choose
Hmm.
C,
I usually travel with bus
bus.
and with train. Yeah.
Okay.
The
Okay. Okay.
reason why I choose this way of travel because I have a seasickness and I am also afraid with height.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. See, me too. Me too. I'm afraid with
Yeah.
the highest place. Okay. So do you have a
Mm,
question to
the
me?
next question
Yeah.
is what what's your favorite way of traveling and why?
Okay. Mm, I often go to a destination that I want through motorcycle. Motorcycle by motorcycle. Yeah.
Oh,
Because
you
that
have a motorcycle.
yes, because that mm, because I like to go near from my house. Yeah, near from my house. Yeah, of course. Uh, Better I choose to use my motorcycle because another reason is I'm never go to the place that through through sea way
So
ship.
seaway, okay.
Yes, like you ship or something like that. And I'm never go to the place that have to use has to use what is that plane something like that. Okay,
Mm,
I've never had experience about that. I've never had experience about that to use plane or ship. I'm just travel. I'm just travel use motorcycle or bus or train something like that. So I prefer to choose way that through uh, motorcycle or something like that. Motorcycle, bus, something like that. Okay, Hamid.
it's same with me.
Yeah.
And okay, Agat, thank you
Okay.
for
Thank
answer
you.
my question.
Thank you, Hamid.
And
So, see you, Hamid, for the
see you
next class.
again. See you
Yeah, see
again.
you for the next class. The video that we record now will be show in the next meeting. Okay, see you, Hamid. See you,
See
Hamid.
you.
Dadah.
Yeah.